Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And it's Stacy here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how to make this cabbage drink for weight loss. So you want to make this drink and drink it first thing in the morning because it's very effective for weight loss and as well as to burn belly fat. To make this cabbage drink, obviously we need a cabbage, and in this video I'm going to be using 1/4 of this cabbage to make the drink. I try to make just a little quantity that I will be able to just consume for the day, that's morning and evening. If you like, you can just have this cabbage drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, but yeah, I prefer to have it first thing in the morning and last thing in the evening. So moving on, I'm just going to cut this and then begin to chop it up. So cabbage has a lot of benefits, especially when it comes to losing weight and burning that belly fat. Cabbage helps to detoxify the body from free radicals, which cause most diseases. So it also helps to detoxify the liver and the kidney. And this drink contains lots of vitamin C, which is good for healthy, glowing skin. Cabbage drink also improves digestion. So if you do have digestive issues, you want to make sure that you make this cabbage drink as it is in the recipe and then you drink it. It also helps to lower blood sugar and supports weight loss. So yeah, cabbage is very effective when it comes to weight loss. Like I said, you want to prepare this and take it first thing in the morning and last thing in the evening after your last meal, so that you can get like the results that you want. So yeah, I'm done chopping the cabbage up, and I'll go ahead and move to the next ingredient, which is ginger. I'll go ahead and peel the ginger and then proceed to chopping it up. But if you like, you can just use the ginger with the peel on. Those peels have a lot of nutrients as well. They're very beneficial, but I just prefer to peel it up because of how I'm going to make the drink. So yeah, that's what I do right now. I'll just proceed to chopping up the ginger into smaller pieces. So ginger helps to aid digestion, especially when consumed on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. It also prevents coughs and colds. So yeah, it's very important for this recipe. You want to make sure that you have a healthy gut, like we always say. Ginger helps with a healthy gut, and yeah, that intends help us to be able to burn fat. Moving on, the next ingredient I'm going to be using is 2 limes. Limes have antibacterial and immune boosting powers and are great for weight loss as they act as digestive aid. So I'll just go ahead and cut them into 2 equal parts, and yeah, you see how we use them a bit later. So now moving on, I'm going to go ahead and pour some vinegar into the cabbage just to get rid of every bacteria present in it. So yeah, I'll add couple of tablespoons of vinegar into the cabbage, and then I'll proceed to add in water to it and then let it sit for a couple of minutes. Then I proceed to rinse it off. When you want to make sure that there are no bacteria in your drink. So this step is very important. You want to clean your cabbage before you proceed to the next step. So yeah, now I'm done, and I'm just going to transfer the washed cabbage from the strainer or the colander into my bowl. Next, I'm going to add the cabbage into a blender cup. You want to add as much as possible. Yeah, actually I'm going to use 2 blender cups, as you're going to see in a bit, because like I mentioned before, I want to consume this one in the morning on an empty stomach and the other in the evening, last thing, like after my last meal in the evening. So I just want to use 2 blender cups so I can just blend this and then just keep one in the refrigerator and wait for the evening. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and fill up those blender cups, and yeah, go ahead and add my other ingredients into it. I'm going to add half of the ginger into 1 cup and half into another cup. The same thing I'm going to do for the limes. Just going to go ahead, take off the seeds, and then just squeeze the juice into the blender cup. And yeah, do the same for the other cup. Just make sure that I have an equal amount in both cups. I'll add some water to the cups just to make the blending process easier. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just add a little bit of water in both cups and then I'll proceed to blending. If you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something valuable from it. Please, if you do, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below, as well as turn on the post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, I just make sure I blend until it's smooth. I do not strain out the pulp. You want to consume it like that because this fiber helps to keep you fuller for longer. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and drink it like that. So yeah, I'm just going to cover 1 cup and keep in the refrigerator to be drank in the evening. And yeah, the other one I'm just going to drink it in the morning right now. So yeah guys, this is how you make effective cabbage juice to burn belly fat and to lose weight. So guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.